In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Turtle Beach headset microphone. Now to fix the Turtle Beach headset mic, you first want to check for physical connections and the mute buttons. Ensure the microphone boom is fully plugged in and the mute indicator is on red light, meaning it is off. Next, you want to run a troubleshoot software by updating the headset via Turtle Beach Swarm software. We can also adjust system sound settings, input levels, device selection, and checking for driver issues. So you want to make sure that everything works perfectly on Windows side. You can also navigate through your sound settings and making sure that your headset is selected right here. And for our last fix, as I've mentioned previously, you want to download the software from the Turtle Beach website itself to go ahead and update its drivers, fixing most of the issues occurring on their headphones. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.